In this video, we will show you how to use the clone and transfer feature to copy or move your WordPress site easily on FlyWP. Let's dive in. First, log into your FlyWP dashboard and go to the Site Settings tab. Here, you'll see the option for Clone or Transfer Site. Let's start with cloning. When you click Clone Site, you'll see two options. Clone to the current server is great for creating a testing environment without affecting your live site. Clone to a different server. Use this option to duplicate your site on a new server, ideal for migration or development. Let's select Clone to the current server, then click Next to proceed. Now it's time to set up the domain for your cloned site. You have two choices. Use FlyWP test domain, this gives you a free domain, or use your custom domain. Just type it in the field provided. You can also check the box to automatically add DNS records and SSL certificates on Cloudflare for easier setup. Once you've picked your option, click Next. In the final step, you'll configure a few important settings. Choose your server stack, migrate your email settings and backup settings. These options let you copy over existing email configurations and backup schedules to the cloned site. Once everything's set, click Next to start the cloning process. And that's it. FlyWP will handle the rest, and your site will be cloned in no time. Or, if you want to duplicate your site on a new server or another server, choose Clone to a different server and follow the same process. Now let's look at the transfer site feature. Moving your site to a new server is just as easy. Click Transfer Site and you'll see a list of available servers. Use the search bar to find the server you want by name or IP address. Select your target server and click Next to start the transfer process. Finally, it's successful. You can also delete your old site from here. And there you have it. With FlyWP's clone and transfer features, managing and moving your WordPress site is super simple. Thanks for watching and happy site managing with FlyWP. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.